all right? So he is lowering his car with BC coilovers. This is the same one that we did the NVIDIA exhaust install on. Looking all beautiful. And I replaced the rear camber arms with SPC adjustable camber arms, and I'm about to take it on the alignment rack and do that, and then I should be good. And then I'm gonna get the camber bolts for the front and adjust. I think it's this one, it's off by like a little bit. I'll show you guys then when I do the alignment. But yeah, the rear I had like negative 2.5 degrees with camber, and the front was I think this was the only wheel that was spot on with the as far as being within alignment specs. So hopefully all goes well when I do the alignment, and Putz can finish his lowering of his car. Look at them. They're so pretty, aren't they?
No.
I know. Why you're getting rid of them. Now those are pretty. All right, so there you see my measurements. And yeah, driver's side front and passenger side front. As far as the camber goes, so I need the camber bolts to correct that. And now I have negative like 5 degrees of camber in the rear because of putting those arms in. So that's what I'm gonna fix today and make that even and within spec. So, yep. And she's also getting a bath because she is incredibly dirty. So there's that. But yeah, this should be interesting. Lucky me. All right, so the differences so far. Yeah, so you can notice the tilt versus no tilt. And then I gotta fix the toe. But this is gonna suck a lot. It already does suck. All right, and here is after adjusting the toe and the camber. We're all good.